If you haven't tried automatic subtitle generation and language translation in Premiere Pro yet, let's do it in an easy and simple way you'll understand. Once your voice is ready, go to this arrow icon and select the text panel. Then choose Transcript. If you're using the same Premiere Pro file where your previous voice files exist, before hitting CC for Captions, let's correct it first. Click on the three-dot icon, then select Retranscribe Sequence. This will open a new panel. You can change the language here if you want, but for now, let's keep it as default. Now hit Transcribe, it'll take a few seconds. Once your text is ready in the transcript section, click on the CC icon to open the Captions panel. Here's the main thing. You can choose between single line or double line captions. The rest of the settings can be adjusted later. I'll use single line for now, then click on Create Captions. Now we have a subtitle panel with all the text layers. Press Enter or Play, and you'll see your subtitle text appearing in the video. You can rearrange them by selecting all text layers, then go to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Properties panel. Inside Captions, you'll see the text style options. You can change the font size, alignment, or make it centered, and you'll see a live preview side by side. Select the text again and place it wherever it fits best on your video. You can also change the font, resize it, add color, stroke, or shadow. Make it look the way you want. If you need to edit any line, just click on the text in the Captions panel and modify it directly. Now, my client needs the subtitles in different languages. For that, go to the translation icon and click it. You'll see a new panel where you have to select or voice source. For me, it's in English, auto-detected. Then, in target language, choose which languages you want your subtitles translated into. Let's pick Japanese, Vietnamese, Dutch, and French. You can select as many languages as you want. The rest of the settings can remain default, except for the line style. I'm keeping it single line. Now, hit Translate. If you scroll up a bit, you'll see the subtitle text generating automatically, divided by language sections. Let's check them one by one. Now, as we did before, select all the text and go to the Properties panel to adjust the look however you want. Japanese nice, working. Vietnamese perfect. Dutch working great. And French looks perfect too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Keep creating something new, because sometimes even the basics can spark creativity.